Today we're comparing Autel Maxicom MK808S with the MUCAR 892BT, two powerful tools that claim to offer dealership-level diagnostics. But which one is really worth it? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which scanner fits your needs best. Let's get started.
The Autel Maxicom MK808S. If you're looking for a scanner that gives you dealer-level diagnostics without the dealer-level price tag, this might be it. As the 2025 upgraded version of Maxicom MK808, our newest MK808S auto diagnostic scanner for all cars inherits the powerful bidirectional control, which makes it the most cost-effective auto scanner. Active Test is widely used on car subsystems to help you check if the car actuators are all in good condition, such as windows, rear mirrors, sunroof, wipers, etc. MK808S dealer-level scanner, like Snap-on tools, effectively works all cars for all system diagnostics. It reads and clears codes, provides ECU info, displays 5-in-1 live data, performs active tests, and special functions for all available modules. With a few clicks, you can easily understand the vehicle's condition. The convenient Wi-Fi printing feature allows you to generate a detailed report, highlighting the exact nature of the problem. Autel Versatile OBDI Scan and MK808S, full level up of MX808, work as MX900, 900 Malawian Kwaches, MK900BT, supports 150+ car brands worldwide and FCA AutoAuth. Like the OBD2 code reader Maxicom MK808BT Pro, MK808S is equipped with 28+ hot services, including oil reset, SAS calibration, ABS bleeding, injector coating, battery registration, etc. MK808S ranks top in professional automotive tablets and keeps updating to support more newer modes from 2023 to 2025. As the largest Autel officially certified seller on Amazon for 10 years, we prioritize user experience and strive to meet your expectations. If you have any questions, please reach out Telephone Receiver Motorzone US at Outlook.com Telephone Receiver for assistance. We are available 24/7, 365 to support you and offer the following: a 1-year brand warranty, 12-month free updates, lifetime technical support, and free return and replacement policy. Pros: wide vehicle coverage, tons of service functions, easy to use, affordable. And cons: no coding or programming for most models. Updates require a yearly subscription after the first year. So, is the Autel MK808S worth it? If you're a serious DIYer, small shop owner, or even just someone who wants to save on diagnostics, absolutely. It packs serious punch without breaking the bank. Just know it's not meant to replace pro-level tools like the Ultra or MS906. The MUCAR 892BT Full System OBD2 Scanner. Is it worth your money? Let's find out. OBD2 Scanner, featuring an 8-inch ultra-large display. The MUCAR 892BT runs on Android 10 with a robust 4-core processor, 4GB RAM, and 64GB storage. This ensures you get rapid and responsive diagnostics every time. Imagine quickly diagnosing issues on a busy workday with a tool that keeps up with your pace. OBD2 Scanner Diagnostic Tool. The MUCAR 892BT provides full system bidirectional diagnostics for over 140+ car brands and 10,000+ models. Whether you're troubleshooting engine troubles or resolving warnings, this tool has you covered. It supports TPMS, AF, TCM, SRS, EPB, SAS, BCM, ECM, and other system diagnosis, ensuring you can tackle various issues effectively. Bidirectional scan tool. Experience OE-level auto scanning and active testing capabilities with full bidirectional controls. The MUCAR 892BT allows you to directly interact with vehicle actuators, enabling you to control critical functions such as headlights, oil pressure, wheel speed sensors, brakes, and mirror folding-unfolding. This feature not only helps identify the working status of various actuators, but also allows you to send commands directly to them, ensuring accurate diagnostics and facilitating timely repairs. Scanner Diagnostic Tool. With over 34+ services, including advanced functions such as oil reset, ETS, gear, SAS, inject, BMS, brake reset, the MUCAR 892BT is designed for serious automotive professionals. Picture yourself effortlessly resetting the oil maintenance light after an oil change or quickly diagnosing a clutch issue during a customer's visit. This tool empowers you to perform essential services with confidence. Scanner for car. Enjoy the freedom of wireless Bluetooth connectivity for easy data sharing and diagnostics. The MUCAR 892BT comes with free lifetime updates, ensuring you stay current without extra fees. Plus, it supports FCA Auto-Auth for 2018 and newer vehicles, but keep in mind that an FCA account and membership fee are necessary for access. Pros: easy to use, great system coverage, free lifetime updates, compact, and wireless. If you're interested, and I've dropped a link in the description
App interface
below.
could be more
Don't forget
polished.
to like, subscribe,
For under
comment if you've
$700
got questions
or the
want to
actual
see a
price.
head-to-head
The
comparison
MUCAR
with other
892BT
scanners. Thanks for
offers
watching,
serious
and I'll see
diagnostic
you in the
power
next
for
one.
casual
Users and pros alike. Whether you're scanning your own car or helping friends and family, it's a tool that pays for itself quickly.
So which one should you choose? Choose Autel MK808S if you're a professional or serious deer. You want more accurate diagnostics and broader service function compatibility. You prefer a wired and stable setup. Choose MUCAR 892BT if you want a more affordable option. You prefer wireless convenience. You're a beginner or casual car owner. The Autel costs more but offers deeper diagnostics, especially for professionals. The MUCAR is budget-friendly and gives a surprising amount of value for its price. Both are excellent tools, but the right one depends on how deep you want to go with your diagnostics. If you need a portable scanner for roadside use, the MUCAR 892BT is perfect. But if you want a garage tool that feels like a technician's companion, the MK808S delivers. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which OBD scanner you prefer or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.